So we're really turning into a pig farm. We're really turning into a pig farm. So look, we got more huts. Now we're looking like we are serious for business. The setup is improving. Look at these beautiful animals. And this is why you rotate pigs. See what they've done here? We've got the boys all doing well. Having some apples. Living the good life. And yeah, imagine in the year's time when we're all the way around. So these lucky pigs have all scoffed apples today already, yeah? So let's see how they get on with, let's put a mixture of, in fact, take this pot, put a few strawberries in there, yeah, just put it in, yeah, you put a few blackberries in there, yeah, put a few plums in there, and grab the bin, yeah, the little bucket, should I say, and go in. So eventually we want to make sure that we have the troughs out here in the middle. Just go and put two. It'll be interesting to see if they're still hungry. Hold on, we might need another pile because they're going straight in.
No pile?
Yeah, going. They're loving it, aren't they? Considering how much they've eaten already today.
There's loads of apples there already.
They're really scuffing into that, aren't they? They love that. Hey? Go on. You guys are living good. You're living good. Look at more. Look at that. They love that more than anything else. Look, they're even fighting over it. They absolutely love that, don't they? This is the one. It's move day. It's move day. They're moving into their new pasture. This is why it's so good to work like this. We've got these over here, and it's move day. New pasture. Look at what they've done to this place. Straight in. Off to new pastures. Look at that, done in a matter of minutes. We've got fresh pasture. We're going to allow this to recover. This is how it should be done. So we have the males. I mean, just the size is unbelievable. We got fruit and veg going in this morning. Look at this. We've got fruit and veg going in for them. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're so happy. One thing I'm going to tell you guys about pigs Pigs are so clean. Look at them shitting on the corners. And then you see them in these sort of commercial farm videos wallowing in shit. And then they're saying, yeah, pig in shit. No, pigs don't like to be in shit. That wallow there is just water and mud. Let's look after these animals. Look at that. I am so proud of this. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries for breakfast. Where do you want your meat to come from? I mean, look at this. Look at this bull that we're gonna keep. This is like 16 weeks old, if that. You know, many people that follow me I'm always talking about the poo, the integrity of the poo. Look at how well formed these are. And what we're going to be doing is, this is going to be our fertilizer. We're going to be scooping all this up, scooping it up, and using it as fertilizer for growing sweet potatoes, garlic, carrots. Look at that. This is how I want to farm. Go on, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. Moral compass. There can be moral compass in farming. The issue you have, they say it's the consumer that dictates poor practice. They say it's the consumer. Are you that consumer that's willing to just buy cheap meat and not care about how it was raised? Think for a second about some of the ailments that we're having at the moment. Excessive eczema in children, excessive asthma, excessive cancer, excessive irritable bowel, excessive mental illness. If you're eating meat that's stressed out or that's been jabbed with so many different antibiotics and vaccines because of overcrowding or poor environment, where do you think that medication that they have, where do you think it's going? If people say, well, it's not in the meat anymore, they're pissing, aren't they? They're pissing on the ground. Is it going in the groundwater that's then affecting what you drink? One way or the other, there is a consequence to it. My ambition is to keep a variety of pig breeds. So we will be having the Berkshire pig. This is the Wagyu, the Rolls Royce of pork, allegedly. So they will be joining the farm shortly. Pooch DVD has over 2 decades in canine husbandry, working with some of the best companies from around the world. It doesn't matter where the product is located. We will find that brilliant product and we will bring it to the UK. Our client is the canine.